Yo guys, what's up, and welcome back to another video. And today we are doing a vise test on the Dodge Charger custom Lego and also the truck. So yeah, let's start with the truck. It is right now being held by the vise. Now, putting a little bit of pressure on it. I'd say about 20 pounds right now. Oh, got some cracking over here. There goes the tailgate of the truck, the bed of the truck. Now, I'd say about 40 pounds right here. I'm seeing the windows flex. Ooh, we just got some major... Oh my god! We are doing the vise test on this. Oh, and there goes a piece. Ooh! Well, there's a piece right there. Just came right off. Right here. Right there. The bed of the truck, and this piece fell off. Now, a little bit more pressure. I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. See? It is bending right now. Fully bending. There's a crack right here starting to open up. So yeah. A little more pressure. Oh, not much more. Ooh. Ooh. Okay guys, this is the part where it is almost broken. Right here, this piece is like wiggly. There's a piece right here. Right there. That piece broke. So yeah. What's going on in this video? Oh! Oh! My goodness, this is strong. Oh! That... Well, time to show you what happened to the whole truck. All this is on the floor, and the cab's pretty much shot. Now, time to undo it. Pressure. Vise has made contact with the Dodge Charger. Vise is starting to crush. What? Okay, this is right before it's starting to crack. Look at the bend in that. More pressure. Ooh, here's what it looks so far. Almost touching the hood. Yeah. Just because safety glasses recommended. And that just hit my face. Okay, that explains it. Now let's gather the pieces that flew off. So yeah, here are the pieces that flew off. There. Now I had a piece that hit me in the face. Smack dab in the face. This piece whacked me in the face. More pressure. This is taking a lot. Ooh. Try not to get hit. This has exceeded my strength. Legos are very strong. Alright. That is pretty much the Dodge Charger. Now I will give you a view of the damaged parts. Hey, so yeah, this is what remains of the truck. So yeah, here's this is probably the biggest part that survived. And maybe this, and that's pretty, passenger seats. Where's the steering wheel? I had this steering wheel, off-road lights, and so yeah. Oh, and a little bit of stress fracture right there. So yeah, I'd say about not much of the truck remains. So now let's get into the crushing the Dodge Charger.